going on, guys? Today we are working on the Mustang. We just finished the fuel cell system and we're working on the nitro stuff, but today we're gonna cut some of the wiring harness out that we do not need for our two rear end. Let's get into it. Obviously, this is what we're doing. The original OEM wiring harness, it was taped together, but as you can read on this one from my bad handwriting, this says fuel pump. We don't need the fuel pump anymore, but I do need the plug for the taillights. So what I'm basically doing is cutting the OEM tape at the very bottom right here all the way down, and I'm gonna tear all of these wires out but keep these ones in the wiring harness. From the time lapse you saw, I just cut out a bunch of wiring. This is the stuff that I said we didn't need. This assembly, I really don't know what it does, but I know that I don't need it because it wasn't plugged in. And this was connected to that for some reason, but I know I don't need it. What I do need is not this, but these two that I have over here. So the system that I have, I'm just putting the ones that I need to the right, everything I don't need to the left. And when the wires just start getting all crazy jumbled, I just snip them. Stay tuned for part 2.